The Anderson Global engineering team was asked to design a Barinder grinder fixture for a tricky casting. The customer was concerned that their fixture design might not provide the support needed to hold the casting correctly. Our team decided to 3D print both a model of the casting and the fixture, to make sure the fixture design did what was expected. In this case, the engineering team was able to identify some improvement opportunities, based on actually handling these half-size models. Let us take a look at your fixture design and build requirements. Our design and engineering team can help you create better parts for less. To find out more about Anderson Global and the cool stuff we do, visit us at www.andersonglobal.com or check out our YouTube channel or our LinkedIn page. See you next week.